Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to deposit in the Memefi wallet. For that, the process is very simple. So let's go and deposit something in the Ethereum. So for that, all you have to go to the Ethereum and then go to the deposit section. So once you're in the deposit section, all you have to go is to go and copy the address. So make sure that you remember the current network, which is Linear. So how you can do it: find your in-game wallet address above, start with 0x and copy it. For example, we have copied the in-game address. Then go to the crypto exchange, for example OKX, choose withdrawal option and find out the withdrawal option. Go to the Ethereum and then go to the Linea. So let's do it. So let's go to the OKX wallet. Wait a second, tell the OKX wallet to boots up. So here you can see that the wallet has now been booted up. All I have to do is to go to the asset. So once I am in the asset portion, all I have to do is to go and withdraw. So for the withdrawal, for the withdrawal process, first I need to have something in my wallet. But you guys can follow these simple steps in order to deposit something in the Memefi wallet. I hope you find this video helpful.